Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, this is the part 2 of our shopping episode with the end of season sale here in Metro Manila. So for today's episode, we are going to visit different luxury stores. So we have YSL, we have Bottega, we have Valentino, and so many more. I'm going to, of course, show you the sale prices. And guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, please spend a day with me. We are going to check many and different luxury stores. I'm going to show you so many eye candies. Enjoy! Hi guys, so our first store is we are going to check out YSL. Alright, so let us start first with Saint Laurent or YSL. So let us check out what sale bags they have right now. So let us check out the very beautiful window display first. So the very first one for 127k, so that is already the sale price. So if I'm not mistaken, the name of this bag is the Lou Puffer bag. So here is the size when worn. So it's a little bit small. What do you think? I'm trying to compare it with my Prada micro bag that I'm carrying that day. So here she is, if you are loving this. But the color is really nice and I love the gold chain hardware. Next, for 52,500, we have a YSL camera bag. So that is again the sale price. Here it is. I am wearing it. Actually, this is not a crossbody bag. I think, if I'm not mistaken, if I could remember it correctly, this is a belt bag style. We have the LouLou in small. So that is the sale price. Then I'm also going to try the medium size. So this one for 175k. So what do you think of this one? I think it's a little bit too big for me. I think the small or the medium would be best for my frame. Then next, for 74,000, again that is the sale price. So here is what the bag looks like when worn. So it is like this is from the men's section, guys. Can you see? So it's like a shoulder bum bag style. Then we have for 151k, we have a YSL shoulder bag. So it is worn like this. The strap is really meant short because it is a shoulder bag. As you can see, it has very beautiful magnetic lock closure. It would be nice if, for example, the strap could be removed and you could attach a different one. Then we have here for 103k, that is the sale price. So we have a YSL Kate bag. So it's nice, it doesn't have the gold chain tassel. But I think for me, the size of this one is a little bit small. And the color of this one is not just registering on film, but it's like a greenish mint color with gold hardware. Then we have 151,600. So this is again the sale price. I'm not really sure of what the name of this bag is. Please do forgive me. So here it is when worn. I love the crumpled leather. Then this one for 64k. I love this very beautiful metallic gold Saint Laurent bag. So gorgeous. I'm just a little bit afraid that the metallic finish would scrape off or would fade in the future. Then we have this very famous shoulder bag for 135k. Again, this is already the sale price. And as you can see, this is the size when worn. So this is, I think, the normal or the small size. Here are all the sale bags from the sale, from the end of season sale. So as you can see, it's more of the like a spring summer color. So these are seasonal collection, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So we have here like bags that has no logo, perfect for the quiet luxury trend. So this side over here is the men's section. So they have that very beautiful bag, and this is the same bag that I tried on earlier. Hi guys, what did you think of the sale bags at YSL? Please do comment down below anything you like here. Would love to hear from you. So hope you enjoyed our episode for today. Let us check out Adora. So Adora carries Valentino here in the Philippines. So here we have a top handle bag with giant Roman studs for 150k. I so love this one. So this is actually the style that I am aiming for to add to my collection. So the size is perfect. Definitely it would house all the essentials that I need plus more. Buy na for 130.
Super!
So YSL, we've been there, medyo expensive pa rin. Plus for the size. No?
For the size, and it's spacious. Take a look.
Tapos this is also calf skin or napa.
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 That's napa. And then super classy yung design. Yung style.
Very edgy.
Of course. Bagay sa'yo nga eh.
This one, guys, is so beautiful. So it is a shoulder bag from Valentino with their classic giant Roman stud. I so love this. This is so edgy, so chic, so fashion forward. It really does scream my name. Plus, it is on sale for 130k. I love the color. I love the gold hardware. I'm just a little bit concerned with how the top handle and strap is attached to the bag. I have carefully inspected, and it's just a tiny little piece of leather strip attached to the handles, the top handles, and the shoulder chain. So I'm afraid that in the future, it would weaken and it might rip, because of course if you're going to put stuff inside, definitely this bag would go a little bit heavier. But nevertheless, guys, so beautiful bag. Then this one is another sale bag rather, from Chloe. This is, I believe, from their new creative director, Gabriela Hearst. But I've heard from Instagram that Gabriela Hearst is already stepping down. So the price of this one is 102k. I think the price of this one is way more expensive for the bag. Then we have another Valentino bag, regular price, not on sale, 244k. So this is perfect for the Barbie pink core style. So again, price of this one is 130k. This is another sale bag, the white one. So the CA showed this to me. Unfortunately, it has a little bit of damage. So the price of this one is same, 130k. What it has are like the color transfers. If you notice, once underneath the flap, unfortunately, that would be a no for me. Next, let us check out the sale at Bottega Veneta. So here we have their window display. So many beautiful bags. I'm so excited to see what sale bags they currently have. So guys, have you already checked the end of season sale? So here we have a double knot bag. Price is 69,000 pesos. So that is the sale price. Then we have this giant messenger bag for 124k. I love the giant intricato leather weave. Then these are the other colors available. So we have in turquoise and we have in red. This one for 87k. So this is a bomb bag style, but I believe you could also wear it as a shoulder bag. Unfortunately, I could not unsee what I'm seeing right now when I've worn it as a bomb bag. Guys, are you also seeing this? This is definitely a no for me, unfortunately. Then for 165k, the classic Bottega pouch bag with chain. So I was trying it on and the chain is quite okay. So here we have hobo bag style. So let us check out other window display of other stores. Unfortunately, we went inside Givenchy, but they're a little bit strict in filming inside, so I wasn't able to show you what sale bags they have. Then inside also, of course, the Shangri-La Mall, there are pop-ups, like for example, these very beautiful perfume pop-up. So we have Chloe, we have Marc Jacobs over here.
Next up, let us check out Coach.
Now let us head on to the end of season sale at Coach. I am so excited to see because the last time I've been to the sale, I was able to bring home my Tabby top handle. So exciting. So the Tabby top handle, so this one is on sale. Then we have the Tabby 18. So this one is 31,000 pesos sale price. Unfortunately, the sale prices here at Philippines are much more expensive. So again, the sale price of this one is 36K. What do you think? So for me, it's beautiful, but the prices are too way up there for me. Guys, OMG, isn't this one of the cutest bag you've ever seen? So again, just trying on this very beautiful Tabby 18. So cute, guys, really so adorable. So I'm comparing it to my micro Prado bag, and it is even smaller. So here are all the sale bags from Coach. So all of these are on sale. You may want to head on to our Coach here and check them individually. This one is 40,500. I'm not really sure if this is part of the sale or not because this is one of the newer style of Coach. We have here very beautiful bag. I am loving this one, the pink one, so beautiful. So again, here are other bags, eye candies for you. Trying on this very beautiful bag, 47,500. So the name of this one is Sammy Top Handle. So which is better, guys, this one or the Tabby Top Handle? For me, Tabby Top Handle wins, definitely. So here again, I'm trying on the heart bag, so 26,500. If I'm not mistaken, these heart bags are also available at Coach outlet stores. Please do comment down below if I'm wrong or right, guys. This one I love. I love that it has quilting. This one, guys, what a beautiful tote bag from Coach. Honestly, guys, the newer bags of Coach, OMG, they are really killing it. I would suggest that you get a Coach bag right now. Don't sleep on them because who knows, 10-20 years from now, they would be the new Chanel. You know, with their crazy price increases, and definitely because the beautiful craftsmanship, the beautiful design, definitely worth having to add Coach to your collection. So we're able to pass by a little bit at Ferragamo but did not go in anymore. Just wanted to show you what's available. So here are the newer styles. Did you enjoy our episode for today? So hope you did. So let me know what you like among the selection that I've shown you. Please do comment down below. There, guys, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today? The end of season sale would be running for a limited time only. I'm going to put the photo here of the text message that I got. So if you have time, please do drop by the store for you to be able to get yourself some amazing pieces from these amazing luxury stores. Do you have anything in mind that you love from our shopping episode for today? So kindly comment down below. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramirfy2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!